ChatGPT is probably taking the world by storm. So almost everyone is using ChatGPT today. So in today's video, I'd like to show you how you can actually draw out a plan for your revision during the holidays. So do note that some of the information are not really accurate. So for one, ChatGPT only draws data up to 2021. Okay, and also so notice here, and also they just might not be so accurate because they just draw data from everywhere, so it might not be drawing data from the correct place. All right, so now for example, we want to design a revision plan for the June holidays, okay, for to maybe revise the entire H2 math syllabus. So what I'll do is I will ask it to list all the topics in the H2 math syllabus. Okay, so it will start listing them. So if you take a look at these, right, so if you're familiar with the H2 A-level math, you notice that some of the topics are not in, right? So okay, so you have graph functions and graphs, yes, equation and inequality, sequence and sequences, yes, they are there, complex numbers are there. So if you have calculus, application, you have differentiation, application of differentiation, integration, application of integration, differential equations. So I want to add the Maclaurin series to calculus. Okay, then probability, I have concepts of probability, yes, P and C. Then your probability distributions, nah, no need. It's basically just discrete random, continuous random. Then you also have binomial distribution, sampling and estimation. Then you also need normal distributions and so on. So there are some things that could be removed. So you could basically ask them to make some changes. So for example, 10 numerical methods is not tested in the H2A level exam. Mathematical induction is not. Binomial theorem is basically under power series. Matrices and transformation is note. This is for further math. Okay, discrete math is also for further math, so don't need. So what I'll do is I want to rewrite the above list, okay, taking away the following. Okay, so what I want to take in sections, so I want to take away the section on statistics, okay. Then I think complex number, they already wrote it here under topic 4, so I don't need the complex number already. Topic 9 on complex numbers, topic 10 on numerical methods, okay, and topics 11 to 14 listed above. Okay, so now I'll ask it to write it again. Okay, so I sort of have what I need now. So now I want to add Maclaurin's series to the section 4 on calculus. Okay, and then I also need to delete probability distributions from section 6. Okay, and I also want to delete continuous random variables and bivariate distributions from section 6. Okay, maybe what I'll do is I'll add this in, then I'll write this. Then I need to add binomial distribution after in section 6. After after discrete random variables, then also add normal distribution after binomial distribution. Rewrite the list. Okay, so here you have. Okay, so it takes time for it to rewrite. And there's a reason why I want this to be done this way, all right? Okay, so now that it has listed all the topics that are tested in the H2 math syllabus, okay, to the correct one that we want, okay, next I want you to, I want ChatGPT to come up with a revision plan for all the topics above. So come up with a revision plan to revise the topics listed above from maybe this June holiday is from, hold on, this June holiday is from 27th May to 28th June. Okay, I want to revise all topics above and spend 3 hours per day, okay, on math. Okay, at the end of the revision, I want to practice the 2022 paper 1 and paper 2. Each paper takes 3 hours. Okay, so let's take a look at what it comes up with. Okay, so I don't think I need day 23, okay, because paper 1 is just 3 hours. You do not need to add, maybe I'll just add in, maybe change day 23 to mark and go through the paper, mark and go through to paper 1, change day 25 to mark and go through paper 2. Okay, so you have your day week 4. Okay, so you have your week 4 being revised. Okay, so there you go, you have your week 1 to week 4 revision plan and can basically just copy it down and use it. So this is a very quick way of actually using ChatGPT to design a study plan, okay, if you know exactly what you want to do.